Okay, right now, paleo versus non-paleo. Dr. John Day here to sort it all out. And paleo, from what I've understood, is the caveman diet. So it's whatever was available back then.
Right, it's a simple concept. If it wasn't around in caveman times, you don't eat it.
But were cavemen healthy?
Well, there's some controversy there as well, on exactly what they did eat, but there are some definite benefits of this approach of eating.
Okay, and this is what
This is paleo, and this is non-paleo. Maybe we'll start out first with non-paleo.
Okay.
First of all, there weren't too many cavemen eating Ritz crackers or drinking Coca-Cola.
Right, so
and
we'll
that's
knock
really
those
the
out.
strength of it, is added sugars, processed foods, not part of this diet.
Okay, even bread?
If it's a grain. Now, if you make it out of
Okay.
almond flour, you're okay.
Okay, so this kind
This
of
is
pasta?
where the controversy lies, is legumes, dairy, and whole grains are not part of the paleo diet.
Okay,
Because they weren't around in caveman times.
Okay, it's not for a health reason. We're just going off of what the cavemen did.
We're following the cavemen.
Okay.
So, what did the cavemen? Well, and this is where certainly meat.
Okay.
Here we have fish, also vegetables, fruit, nuts, and seeds.
Okay.
Now, it can be quite healthy if you make sure you get enough vegetables and fruits.
And lean meats.
Lean meats.
Okay.
Now,
you can't just live on bacon.
No.
Even though it's okay.
It is meat, so it is part of the caveman diet.
Okay.
But you got to make sure you get enough of it because you might be low in calcium and other key nutrients. So you've got to eat a lot of green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds to get all your nutrients.
But no processed stuff.
No processed added sugars.
Okay, and it's okay for you.
It's okay for you as long as you make sure you hit hard on the vegetable aspect of it.
Okay, all right. If you want more information about this, you can go to our website, kutb.com, and we'll have a link to drjohnday.com.
Right.
Back to you guys.